Hey friends, I'm Angela with Midlife Cruising, and this is our second YouTube channel called Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals and Sales. We live full-time on the Villa Vie Odyssey Residential cruise ship, and we connect owners with potential renters or buyers. In today's episode, we are sharing a room for sale by a private owner. Now, only 4 sales in 1 year is kind of impressive. I assume in the future about 10 people a year would sell. Someone reached out and said, why are so many people selling? 3 of the 4 were for health reasons. This is the first one that's not for health reasons. It's just not what he expected or really wanted. So reach out to this owner. This one's gonna go very quickly. It's marvelously priced. You don't wanna miss out. Remember, as always, the contact information will be in the description. At the end of the title below the video, click the word more. It expands the description and you can see all the information you need. Okay, let's check out room 3084. Very, very centrally located in the middle of the ship, and we'll show you on the map later. Let's check out this deck 3 porthole Oceanview room, and it is for sale. This gentleman is the 4th room that I've known that's come on the market. The first 3 were all for health related reasons. This one is just decided this cruise lifestyle is not for him, and that's okay. So let's check this room out. So here we have 2 twin XL beds. Remember, you can separate them, you can turn it any way you want, whatever works for you. We have a TV in the corner. It goes on a swivel. You can move it any way you want. Let's check out this side. We have portholes with a blinds over them. Remember, as an owner, you can change up anything you want, your own artwork, marine grade paint or marine grade wallpaper, whatever you want. Look at this stunning ocean view. We are off the coast of South Korea right now. Little light in the corner there for reading. Brand new carpet. This is a dark gray and a light gray. Not sure how it comes across the video, but that is gray. There's a chair in the corner. We have a chair room, if you will. So if you want to change it out or bring your own, you're welcome to do that as well. And of course, the 43-inch TV. Everything from seeing the outside views from the aft or the starboard side, because this is port, all kinds of channels. There's a refrigerator underneath the desk, and let's check out the three closets, because this is the extension room, so there's more closet space. Plenty of room for hanging your clothes. This one even has a lovely built-in dresser, and there's a safe, all the things. So much storage when you have 3 closets. This extension room has nice updated wood. It's the newer section, if you will. So this gentleman is selling his room right now. Make an offer and come join us. Everything will be in the description below. You'll hit the word more at the end of the title below the video, and you'll see the gentleman's email. Reach out to him and make an offer. He's asking $125,000. You heard that right. You can have a porthole room for $125,000. In the midship, the bathrooms, the sink area has a nice neutral sand sink base. I like that much better than mine. Maybe I'll make an offer. Medicine cabinets in the corner. You have 2 full cabinets there underneath storage. all the things in your shower. Shampoos, body wash, conditioners, always all included. Air control. So what do you think? Do you want to come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey? Reach out to the owner. He's asking 125,000 US. Reach out, come join us, living full-time on a residential cruise ship. And remember, if you're an owner, you can also rent your room out when you're not there. So what would you do to make this room your own? Maybe a few fake plants, special artwork, your own bedding. Remember, that's your option as an owner. And would you use one of these shelves for a bar? So remember, just reach out to the owner. His email is in the description below, and come join us. But wait, there's more. With the purchase of this room comes a brand new set of golf clubs. You heard that right. These bad boys are all yours if you become the new owner of this room. 3084. Let me show you where we're located. Now, you know I call the mid stairs just a little off mid. So we're going just a little off mid towards the closest stairwell. So this is the mid stairwell. It's a little forward, but it is mid because we have elevators both forward and aft along with those stairwells. So let me show you how close you are located. This is looking forward towards the front, and then here we're looking back. Here we are on deck 3. We are at the aft set of elevators. You know, there's a set in the aft and all the way forward. So we came to the aft one to show you where we are. Room number 3084. So here's the stairwell. You can see it's kind of forward mid. And so here's the room. So from about here to here, I would say is the super center of the ship. So you're very centrally located. So if you go forward, go through the stairwell area and to the other side, guess what this is? That's a spa. So if you're a spa person, look how convenient that is. But either way, you pop up the stairs here, 4, go to the back for the main dining room, or come back to these stairs, go up, and you have everything on deck 5, all the common spaces, lounges, everything, clubs. So you're sandwiched between cabins, which is great. Just a great location. Those porthole rooms are pretty awesome. So 3084. Remember, jump on this one quickly. 125,000. Can't beat it.